Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
There was a Marina Cup kart race. We bought some bicycles and went for a ride. And a hike where we see the Beach Factory in action. We bought some bikes from Marja 2, a Belgian family that were planning to leave the next day back to Belgium. We went for a ride to the west side of the island, to Caleta, to have some lunch. This is such a beautiful part of Porto Santo.
Goodbye, farewell, welcome party, kind of thing.
En een beetje snel zo, hè? Nou, een beetje nat.
Ja, gezicht.
Gewoon mooi kijken.
On the chopper! Easy rider, echte chopper, hè? Nice.
Even gaan liggen.
Big smile. Big smile. There you go. I want that in my
What?
I want that.
Shall we try?
There we go. There you go. Ah, baby. What a smile. What a smile. Nice.
Dag Bas en Marianne. Goeie vaart. Fijne vakantie. Tot snel. Ah, Francis, Connelly, Femke. Femke crying. Crying. You have to cry. You have to.
Nou, kom maar hier, Sergio.
The Nanook is leaving for the Azores. Franz from the Skellig is joining his crew for the 4-day passage.
Salos! Goeie reis! Veel plezier!
Come on. We got him.
We hebben je.
Zet hem vast aan daar. We have a birthday party for Jack and James from the Marja 2 on the pontoon.
In de gloria.
In de gloria! Hippe de piep! Hoera!
Hippe de piep.
Hoera!
Nog één laatste. Hippe de piep.
Hoera!
Van Michael, Leontien, Femke, Frans en van Bas en Marianne. Leuk hè, want die konden er niet bij zijn vandaag.
Iedereen.
Van iedereen. Van
Iedereen.
allemaal. Nou, ik
En
heb
jij-
er eentje, bij mij staat James op.
Ja, en die van mij staat Jack op.
Eén groot feest. Eén groot feest. Voorzichtig. Zitten voor de En dan moet je vooral op de achterkant kijken.
Nou.
Oh, maar dat is leuk.
We love Jack. Ja,
Ja, kijk eens naar de achterkant.
Ik heb al gelezen wat dat erop stond.
Kijk eens naar de achterkant.
maar dan moet je dus in het donker op. Kijk, kijk. Wie love Jack. Marianne en Bas.
Oh, jullie? Oh, dit kan wel lekker.
Hey.
Oh jongens. Wat spannend.
Ik ga beginnen.
Ga je beginnen? Ja, wacht.
Kom maar, papa.
Luisteren naar Patrick.
Papa.
Opbeurten.
Ik ga eerst.
Ja, rustig.
Eén maar hè. Eentje, Jack, pak er één. Eén kleur kiezen.
Waar kleurtjes?
Doe maar, prikken maar. Oranje. Voorzichtig, rustig. Mooi!
Wow! Oh, oh. Yay! Da.
Patrick was baking pizzas for everybody.
Pizza. YMCA. Oh, het gaat net heel hard waaien.
Ja, goed zo, want we gaan de kaartjes blauw. Happy birthday,
Dear Jack and James.
happy birthday to you.
Hoera!
Ja, laten we
Hey!
Dus even lachen naar Leontien. Dus lachen naar Duimpie. Lachen naar Duimpie.
Hey! Skippy! Hi!
I joined the crews of Sparkling 2, Obelix, and Umiak for another hike through the tunnel. In this lifestyle, where we are together nearly 24/7, it's important for us to do some activities apart. Going for a walk. Yeah, look at that water. Yeah, it's a great walk. Look at that water, just beautiful.
It's a special Porto Santo water, I think.
Exactly. Only here. Makes us realize why we came here.
Yes.
Oh look, somebody's taking a picture of us.
Hey, how nice. I should take. Now you have to stand here, and I take pictures. Oh, okay.
And I film people taking pictures of us.
No S today.
No ass today. No. This is not Femke Zasko's on an adventure. Okay, who are we?
And you want to be part of it as well?
Sure.
I'll make a picture.
Hey, look, I'm here too.
We found the tunnel.
This time we saw the beach factory in action.
Hey, sand falls. Sand falls. Oh, really good ones. Look at that. Sand falls.
Tomorrow there will be no path,
Oh, sure will.
so we have to go down.
This is what Leontine and I, we call this the beach factory.
The beach,
This is where the beach gets made.
This is the engine.
And it comes down here,
Yeah.
and then the currents bring it around.
It's incredible. It's so amazing.
Beach factory's in production on a Saturday. Overtime. Look at that. Is that just too cool or what?
Stel cliff to here.
It's different.
I mean, where else in the world have you ever seen sandfall?
I've never seen a sandfall. Never. And this is the beach factory.
Are you guys new to the island?
No, we've been here for 1,000 years. Little change in the landscape since we've been here last. Beautiful. This island is always changing.
Together with the operator of the kart track, some cruisers in the marina organized the Porto Santo Marina Karting Cup on the kart racing track next to the marina.
Ik heb je wel gemist, Carolien. Ja. Laat me je handjes eens even zien.
Het is goed verbonden. Ik kwam met de schrik vrij. Maar ik ging er vol in. Als ik iets doe, dan ga ik er vol in.
Heel groot voordeel. De volgende dagen doe ik Bert-Jan de afwas.
Ja, dat gaat. Jij doet de afwas. Mijn vingers aan beurt.
Nee, dat kan nog wel mee afwassen.
Ja.
We arrived a bit late and just missed the first practice round, where Caroline from the Polaris went too fast through the curve and landed in the tires.
Pole position, with the first place is Thomas Roche.
Hey!
Second place, 7/10 to the first place, it's Maren.
The Belgian Grand Prix.
Worden we gemasseerd? Gaan we voor de winst?
Pit crew for Speedy Gonzalez. Who's your daddy?
Michael. There you go. Oh.
Leontine's daycare.
Leontine was babysitting kids and dogs.
Say go, mama, go. Just say go, daddy, go, daddy. And go, mommy. Go, Daddy, go. Go, Mommy, go.
Oh my